So hi people and hi everyone, this is Rodelyn Torres, and for today's video is I'm going to answer the questions in Biochemistry Lesson 1, which is a reflection video. So the first question is, what did you feel about studying lesson 1? Is the lesson boring and ineffective? Is the lesson interesting and ineffective? Please elaborate. So based on my understanding about the lesson 1, it talks about the biochemistry. I feel so interesting because biochemistry is a biological chemistry, is the study of chemical process within and relating to living organism. Almost all areas of life sciences are being uncovered and developed through biochemical methodology, and research biochemistry focus to understand and the chemical basis which allows biological molecules to give rise to the processes that occur living cells and between cells. Much of the biochemistry deals with the structures, binding functions, and interactions of biological macromolecules, such as the proteins, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, and lipids. They provide the structure of the cells and perform many of the functions associated with life. Chemistry of the cell also depends upon the reactions of small molecules and also iron. The question number 2 is, what are the topics encountered in lesson 1 that you find difficult to understand? So for me, it's homology. It's the general very difficult. It's not the concept homology that had per set, but the names they use in homology that make difficult to learn. For the biochemistry, probably the concept of thermodynamics, again, biologists aren't trained chemists, or the physics that we need to time use of these concepts to apply of the biological system. Even the chemists and the physics, thermodynamics is also one of the hardest concepts to understand, along with the quantum mechanics that you need to distinguish between the kinetics and the energetic variable, then the concept of electronics and how thermodynamics can explain and how can involve the utilize and modify this laws of physics and is able to maintain themselves. All in all, I find all of these concepts are particularly stimulating and which would love to master them all. But the time is limited and there's too much to learn that I have to choose some will ignore of that. So the number 3 question, what are the topics encountered in lesson 1 that you easy to understand? So the main tenet of biochemistry is the study of chemistry of biomolecules, living beings. Bio means life and chemistry means study of chemical continuance, so the biochemistry is the one of the vital portion of life sciences. It comprises study of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, mineral and vitamins, hormones and signal transduction, etc. Molecular biology is all studied under biochemistry. So number 4 question, why do I need to learn left and right-handed chirality molecules? The right and the left properties of molecules derive from the fact that carbon atoms can form bonds with the 4 other atoms, such as a way that if the 4 atoms attached to the carbon atoms are different, it is possible to draw a version of resulting 3-dimensional molecule that are the mirror image of each other. These are the right and the left versions of a simple chiral compounds. They are exactly alike in every property except that they rotate plane polarized light of the right, left respectively.